to the diamond. It is habits. When we kill and raped, it is habits. It is habits. Just fuck you, man.
Antes baixou o meio. Vai pra caramba.
And you mind understand the fact that you guys can go in the corner and smoke. Understand that? Why are you talking about me?
I spoke to his ass.
Nobody's talking about you.
I
Bravo.
never had this conversation with you.
Do we? When we in the corner smoking, do we talk about Bravo? We don't do that. Don't do that. Don't change the thing.
Lipstick sanatçı slow.
I'm talking about me and you and him. Why are you saying that like that?
I told
Because
you
not
this
true.
morning.
It's been talking negative to me.
I see what you do. It's not that he likes you. He wants to get a reaction out of
And
you.
you think, but my thing is this. Well, you tell it. Wait. When you tell Q that you see me entertaining Q, do I entertain Q? Thank you. Then do I don't care I'm freezing. Do I entertain Q? Do I?
He's the one pushing. I told him this
It's okay,
morning.
but you know what? Then? Whatever blows your head back and makes you sleep at night.
I told him this morning. Like, my nigga.
Let me just freeze. I have a double slide. If I go, oh, it's okay. And you know what, man? I'll go for cut. If I go, I'll go because of you. That's the only reason I'll go. I'm willing to go because of you. And it's okay. But I'm telling you to thank you.
Ngona mbuya lalela.
Sorry for what?